Imagine the birth of an idea, a spark in the mind of a creator that sets the stage for a revolution in robotics and automation. This is the dawn of ideas, where innovation and creativity collide to shape the future. Picture a creator, surrounded by scribbles and sketches, immersed in a sea of possibilities. Each stroke of the pen, each erasure, brings us one step closer to a breakthrough. This is the conception phase, the very embryo of a product in the dynamic world of robotics. It's where the abstract meets the tangible, where the impossible seems within reach. It's a place of relentless brainstorming, of trial and error, of boldness and risk-taking. Yet in the midst of this creative chaos, a blueprint emerges. A vision is born, a revolution is ignited. And so, with a blueprint in hand and a vision in mind, the journey of actualizing the idea begins. From the realm of imagination to the realm of reality, our idea begins its transformation. It's not simply about building a robot, it's about designing a solution, a marvel of modern technology. The journey from abstract concept to tangible reality is a fascinating one. This is where the magic happens, where engineers and technology specialists step in. They are the architects of reality, the ones who take an idea and give it form. They lay the groundwork, define the specifications, and oversee the assembly of parts. It's a complex dance of precision and innovation, where every component, every circuit, and every line of code has a purpose. Consider the intricate process of programming. It's not just about giving instructions to a machine, it's about imbuing it with the ability to understand, to learn, to adapt. It's about creating a digital brain that can process information, solve problems, and make decisions. This is where a simple machine becomes an intelligent entity. Then comes the testing phase, a rigorous and relentless cycle of trial and error. It's a time of fine-tuning and refining, of identifying weaknesses and turning them into strengths. It's a process of elimination and evolution, where every failure is a stepping stone to success. The role of technology specialists is crucial here. They are the guardians of quality, the ones who ensure that every product that leaves the assembly line is not just a machine, but a marvel of modern technology. They are the ones who breathe life into ideas, who transform dreams into reality. Emerging from this process is not just a machine, but a marvel of modern technology, ready to take on the world. It's a testament to human ingenuity, to our ability to create, innovate, and push the boundaries of what's possible. It's not just a product, it's a promise of a better, more efficient, more exciting future. And this is just the beginning. Now, our creation is ready to multiply, to step into the world not as a solitary entity, but as a legion. The production line is where the magic of scale happens. It's here that our initial concept, that seed of an idea, blossoms into a full-fledged product, ready to be shared with the world. It's the grand theatre of assembly, where individual components come together in a carefully choreographed ballet of precision and efficiency. Each product starts its journey as a collection of raw materials. Metals, plastics, silicon, and countless other elements are transformed through a series of intricate processes. They're molded, cut, shaped, and polished until they fit together like pieces of a complex puzzle. Each piece is a testament to the ingenuity of design and the power of modern manufacturing techniques. Next, the assembly. Robotics and automation play the leading roles here, their movements a symphony of speed and exactitude. Each robot arm, each conveyor belt, each machine, working in unison to assemble the components into a cohesive whole. The precision is astounding, the speed mesmerizing. This is the heart of the production line, a testament to the marvels of modern technology. Quality control is the final hurdle before the product is ready for its debut. Rigorous checks and tests ensure that each item is up to the standard, functioning perfectly and looking its best. This is a critical stage where any flaws are detected and rectified, ensuring that only the finest products make it into the hands of the consumer. Packing and preparation for delivery are the final steps on the production line. Each product is carefully packaged, ready for its journey to the customers. It's here that our creation takes its final form, ready to step out into the world. Each product, a clone of its brethren, yet unique in its purpose, set to embark on its own journey. Each one a testament to the power of ideas, the marvel of design, and the magic of production. And each one ready to make a difference in the world. From the assembly line to the doorstep, our product has navigated a journey of creation, testing, and refinement. It's been a voyage filled with precision, accuracy, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. This journey reaches its zenith in the delivery process, a delicate dance of logistics and timing, facilitated by our robotic and automated systems. Imagine the anticipation, the ticking seconds as our customer awaits their delivery. It's a moment we've all shared, that spark of excitement as we unwrap something new. This is where robotics and automation truly shine, enhancing this experience by ensuring timely, accurate delivery. Now, picture the satisfaction, the smile that spreads as the product is finally in hand. It's more than just a product. It's the culmination of countless hours of work, innovation, and dedication. It's a testament to the power of robotics and automation and their role in shaping our future. And thus, the journey concludes from a spark of an idea to a product that brings joy and convenience to its new owner. This journey is but a glimpse into the exciting world of robotics and automation. We've traveled from the birth of an idea, through its creation, to the satisfaction of delivering it to you, the customer. But this isn't the end. It's the beginning of a new era, where machines work hand in hand with humans, augmenting our abilities, increasing our productivity, and changing the way we live and work. From self-driving cars to smart homes, from automated factories to AI-powered customer service, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a world where mundane tasks are a thing of the past, where creativity and innovation thrive, and where technology is our ally, not our adversary. We invite you to join this conversation to learn more about the revolutionary impact of robotics and automation on our lives and our work. It's time to embrace the future. The future of work is unfolding, and you have a front row seat. Explore, engage, and envision the world of tomorrow with us.